Hello students, are you in your first semester right now? তুমি কি এখন ফার্স্ট সেমিস্টারে পড়াশোনা করছো? Your college classes have just started. এক মাস হলো, দেড় মাস হলো. It has just been 1 month or 1.5 months since the starting of your college. And you are doing self-study. মানে নিজে নিজে পড়াশোনা করছো. Or you are taking guidance from a particular teacher but you are not very satisfied with your overall performance. So, today in this video, I have a very good news for all those students যারা last 2 months ধরে self study করছে কিংবা taking guidance from somewhere but they are not feeling that confident. তো আমি এটাই বলতে চাইবো that the classes of the first semester crash course batch is going to start from 23rd of November 2024 and the classes will continue till the last week of January 2025. আমি আরো একবার বলতে চাই that a new batch, a brand new batch যার নাম হচ্ছে first semester crash course batch যেখানে we will complete the entire syllabus of first semester, all the 5 papers, the 3 non-law papers and the 2 law papers will be covered in a holistic manner. The previous year question papers will be discussed at length, plus how to construct an answer which carries 8 marks or a question which carries 16 marks কিভাবে 4 থেকে 5 পাতা গুছিয়ে লিখতে হবে. Everything will be taught to you over the next 2 months in the crash course batch which is going to start from 23rd of November 2024 and the classes will continue till the 4th week of January 2025. তাহলে the duration of the crash course is of 2 months and will cover all the 5 papers in a very holistic manner. তার সঙ্গে let me also inform you that the classes of the online batch we will be having 3 days in a week. ঠিক আছে, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturdays we will be having classes and the classes will be taking place in online mode via Google Meet. So in case you are interested to join the first semester crash course batch, then feel free to contact in the given number for all the fees related information and how to take admissions. Thank you. Namaskar.